Check this out. It's a bracket that you put your Ring doorbell inside of. I will say when this Amazon seller first reached out, I was a little unsure about the product. It's a metal security box and you put your Ring doorbell inside of it. Now the box easily mounts to the door with thumb screws. At first glance, I figured it was just a way to secure your investment, but I quickly realized that there was so much more potential for this product. In my opinion, there are two groups of people that will benefit from this. The first are any of those people out there that don't want to deal with the installation headache. You just pop your Ring doorbell in here, mount it to your door, and you're done. The other group of beneficiaries are renters. You see homeowners everywhere use video doorbells to stay alert when they're away from home, but not renters. Landlords don't want tenants drilling holes and connecting wiring. So up until this point, if you're a renter, you've been pretty much out of luck. Now, about 40% of Americans are renters, so I feel that this product has missed a major marketing opportunity. I give you the Ring doorbell solution for renters. Now you can slap this thing on your door and have all the benefits of a Ring doorbell without violating your rental agreement. And this will work for pretty much any renter, as long as you have a door. Got a kid living in a dorm room? Boom, Ring doorbell for them. But you might want to turn down the motion detection. You could even get a Ring for your business. Got to step out of the office? No problem. You could even put one on a bedroom door or, hey, a bathroom door. Want to find out who's been eating all your snacks? Here you go. The possibilities go on and on. Now, I will say this product does have a major design flaw. Oddly, it comes with these pieces of foam to use as a spacer, but that's not the issue. Foam is kind of lame, but foam takes 450 years to biodegrade, so it's the least of the problems. You see, a Ring doorbell requires power to work. Now, it does have a battery that can be recharged. And in most cases, the wire that connects to a standard doorbell will keep a Ring charged. That's why a doorbell lights up. But without a continuous power supply, you will need to regularly recharge your doorbell. Now, according to the internet, you could potentially get up to 6 months out of a single charge from your doorbell. Now, I'm not an expert, but it seems a little unrealistic, at least for me, given how many notifications I get on a daily basis. You also need to consider that the more traffic in your area, or the more sensitive your settings, the faster the battery will drain. Anyway, this product seals with these teeny tiny little screws. I'm not sure why they're not using bigger screws, but it is what it is. So every time you need to charge this thing, you need to remove these tiny screws and hope that you don't lose them or strip them. So here's the solution. Why not invest in a small wire that has an L-shaped micro USB on one end and a USB-A on the other? Now you can remove this box whenever you need to charge it, and you don't have to take your doorbell out of the box. Or better yet, this Amazon seller can come out with a new version that has a built-in way to charge your doorbell. I'm sure that most customers would be willing to pay a little extra for that feature. For now, this short wire does work, but fishing it out of the back of the box is not an easy task. So to recap, if you're someone that doesn't want to deal with installing a doorbell, or if you're a renter, this is a really cool product. There is a link below to this particular seller, in case you're curious about learning more. Hey, it's this guy. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to more fun Amazon product videos.